Name a medical specialty focused on preventing, diagnosing, and treating internal conditions and diseases that affect adults. Starts with I. Internist. After medical school, they complete a residency that is focused in adult care without further training in pediatric or obstetric care. Name a medical specialist who provides ongoing care, focusing on preventive health, diagnosis, and treatment of conditions for patients of all ages, often within the context of the family unit. Family physician. Specialist on hormonal disorders like diabetes or thyroid issues. Starts with E. Endocrinologist. Specialist on autoimmune diseases and joint disorders like arthritis. Starts with R. Rheumatologist. Specialist on medical care for infants, children, and adolescents. Starts with P. Pediatrician. Specialist on newborns, particularly premature or ill babies. Start with N. Neonatologist. Specialist on brain and nervous system surgeries. Starts with N. Neurosurgeon. Specialist on treating bone, joint, and muscle issues surgically. Starts with O. Orthopedic surgeon. Specialist on pregnancy, childbirth, and postpartum care. Starts with O. Obstetrician. Specialist on female reproductive health. Starts with G. Gynecologist. Specialist on infertility and reproductive hormonal disorders. Starts with R. Reproductive endocrinologist. Specialist on heart and blood vessel disorders. Starts with C. Cardiologist. Specialist on conditions of the blood vessels and lymphatic system. Starts with V. Vascular surgeon. Specialist on treating nervous system disorders, including the brain and spinal cord. Starts with N. Neurologist. Specialist on skin, hair, and nail conditions. Starts with D. Dermatologist. Specialist on providing therapy and counseling. Not a medical doctor. Starts with P. Psychologist. Specialist on treating mental health disorders with medication and therapy. Starts with P. Psychiatrist. Specialist on eye exams and vision correction, not a medical doctor. Starts with O. Optometrist. Specialist on eye and vision care, including surgery. Starts with O. Ophthalmologist. Specialist on treating ear, nose, and throat disorders. Starts with O. Otolaryngologist. Specialist on hearing and balance issues, not a medical doctor. Audiologist. Specialist on treating lung and respiratory conditions. Starts with P. Pulmonologist. Specialist on digestive system disorders. Starts with G. Gastroenterologist. Specialist on kidney health. Start with N. Nephrologist. Specialist on treating urinary tract and male reproductive issues. Starts with U. Urologist. Specialist on treating cancer. Starts with O. Oncologist. Specialist on cancer treatment using radiation therapy. Starts with R. Radiation oncologist. Specialist on health care for older adults. Starts with G. Geriatrician. Specialist on examining tissues and diagnosing diseases, starts with P. Pathologist. Specialist on treating patients in intensive care units, starts with I. Intensivist. Specialist on treating foot and ankle issues, not always a medical doctor, starts with P. Podiatrist. Specialist on spine and musculoskeletal health, not a medical doctor, starts with C. Chiropractor. Specialist on studying genetic conditions and hereditary diseases, starts with G. Geneticist.